Meaning of factual.
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 Factual. Factual refers to information that is accurate, objective, and based on real-world evidence or facts. Something that is factual is true and can be verified by reliable sources. This type of information is important in many fields, including journalism, science, and law. When information is presented as factual, it increases the credibility of the source and helps people make informed decisions. In contrast, information that is not factual or based on unsupported claims can be misleading and dangerous. Therefore, it is important to always verify the accuracy of information before accepting it as true.